Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic: how to buy mutual funds online. So once upon a time, back in the a long age, investor could only buy and sell mutual funds through financial professionals, brokers, money managers, and financial planners. But online investment platforms have met trader of us all. And today, anyone with a computer or tablet or even a smartphone can buy mutual funds. All you have to do is know where to buy them, what kind of fund you want, and what sort of fees, sales charges, and expenses you might encounter. Of course, if you have a retirement oriented account such as a 401k plan or a self directed IRA, the account custodian and or plan administrator likely allows for direct mutual fund trading through its website. So tough with 401ks, you are restricted to those specifically offered by the plan and, as usual, to a prescribed number of traders you can make per year of quarter. For the purpose of this article, we'll assume you are looking to buy on your own either for a regular taxable account or one. Where to buy mutual fund online? Top a myriad of different investment websites, come trading platform. Exit. There are three basic ways to purchase mutual funds online. First, investment companies. The most obvious option is mutual funds directly through the investment companies that offer and manage them. So, mutual funds companies range from publicity traders, giants like T. Rowe Price to private boutique firms like American Century or Dodge and Cost. Each firm offers at least a few different funds, from passive index fund to actively managed equity funds to high yield bond funds, designed to appeal to different investors and different investment goals. Stock simulators. One key advantage of buying directly from mutual funds companies: no sales commissions or brokerage fees. More of your investment dollar goes into the fund and right to work for you. The key downside: your investment options are limited to that company's families of fund. Invested come financial services companies. If you do not want to be limited to one family fund, some investment companies allow to you use an in-house account to buy and sell mutual funds and exchange trades fund ETFs offered by other firms. The Vanguard Group and Fidelity Investment are two of the best known of this breed of mutual fund managers that have morphed into full-fledged financial services firms. Third, brokerages. Yet another option is to open an online account at a brokerage. It will likely be the most expensive course. Typically, this type of accounts charge a transaction fee commission for each trade. and they may also charge other account setup or maintenance fees. However, they will provide the biggest universe of mutual fund to choose from. It is fairly simple to find an account with relatively low fees, especially if you climb the ranks of discount brokerage. Among the hottest and cheapest are exclusively online companies such as E-Trade and Betterment, with little overhead and largely automated service. Their operating costs are considerably reduced and it shows in their charges to consumers. But don't count the bricks and mortar brokerage out, noting the especially with third something investors. Many old timer like TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, and Merrill via it Merrill Edge have launched digital platform of their own, and often fees and account minimums are waived or discount for client who maintain online account is joint paper statement and human advisory service. Of course, having a human to talk to can be an applied feature of a full service broker.